Hi guys, welcome to Easy Cooking Recipes.
Today we are going to make moringa leaves infused ghee. For that I took 200 grams of butter, unsalted butter. You can see I put the butter on my pan and switch it on in medium flame. It is melting slowly. And I took 2 bunches of moringa leaves. I took small bunches separately, like from the big leaf I took the small one, and I have small bunches of, I can say the measurement handful for 200 grams of butter. Now my butter is melting. You have to wait till the butter melts. Then you have to add your moringa leaves inside. It is melting and it is bubbling. If you keep the flame high, it bubbles out and it hurts you. Please keep the flame in medium to low and wait till it melts completely. My butter melted completely. At this point, I'm going to add the moringa leaves. I washed it and dried the leaves completely without any water. If you have your tree inside your compound and there is no pollution, you can use as it is without washing. If you are buying from shop, please wash it, dry it completely. Now I added my moringa leaves and I am increasing my flame to medium flame. It's going to fry. This is easy, so you no need of any spatulas to take it out. Just you can use this to turn. And please be careful, sometimes it bursts out, so you have to be ready for it. If it is bubbling more, you can reduce the flame. I need more greenish ghee, so I'm going to add more drumstick leaves now. And please be careful, you should not burn your ghee, so adjust the flame accordingly, medium to low, that is the best. It is bursting out. The water content in the leaf just coming out. I'm using a lid as a shield. You can even keep like this and stand, or just near your face somehow, because you need to check whether the ghee is burning. It should, because it just take few seconds to burn the ghee. So you have to be nearby. You have to fry and take immediately, and you have to switch off the stove. It's almost done. My ghee is almost done. You cannot see any butter traces. It's all melted really fine, and my leaves are looking crispy. I'm reducing the flame. Just few more seconds. It is ready now. See, you can hear the sound of the leaf. This is the point. You have to take out your leaves and switch off your stove. Press out all the excess ghee and take it in a plate. I took out all the leaves, and you have to let it cool down and then filter it using a stain. This is the ghee I got. I filtered it in my container. This is our moringa leaves infused ghee. It's really tasty. Do try this please, and it is very healthy. This is our moringa leaves fried in ghee. You can eat it as it is, or you can eat in hot rice or with sambar. Just crush the leaves and you can give it to your kids. You can eat it. It's really tasty. And there is one more recipe with this fried leaves. See, I took some jaggery, grated jaggery, and you can add some fried leaves in it. And mix it well. You can adjust the quantity of the leaves, depends on how sweet you want. You can even substitute jaggery with palm sugar. Try this recipe. Thanks for watching.